On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So I bought one of these ultrasonic cleaners off of Amazon. Just put in some awesome cleaner. One bottle of awesome cleaner and the rest water. I forget what it takes. I think it's like 4 gallons. So I'm letting her heat up a little bit. I got a greasy front sprocket. I don't remember what that's off, but I'm going to see how it cleans it up. I should try it cold first, but I got to find another sprocket. We'll see how she works, boys. Be nice for cleaning carburetors. That's why I got it. Also found this old Kind carburetor. I guess I'll take the bowl off it and throw that in too. Jeez, I forgot I had that. This is off a 2-stroke. I bet you I have to measure what size that is. I wonder if I could have put that on a DRZ. I did just measure the bore on that. It's 38 millimeters. So I guess the FCR 39 is bigger. Pretty clean inside though. Take the bowl off and put it in there anyway, see how it does. Now we're up to about 120. Oh, look at that bubbling. She's cooking. I want to get it up to probably 150. And then we'll give it a shot. Alright, we're real close to 150 degrees. So I'll put all this stuff in there and dip it in there. I wish I had the one handle across the top. So I just did a makeshift handle just so I can record it as I'm dipping it in there. Let's see how it does. The bowl is floating. Huh. Oh, it was up to temperature. It's boiling now, so I think I'll set it for 15 minutes. There. Discolored, so you can't really see in there to see what it's doing. It does make a little bit of noise. And this is 160, I think it was like 160 bucks. Amazon. So we'll let this go for a while. I'll do 15 minutes. I'll go over here and listen to some of my ham radio stuff. Me and Veep split on a whole big batch of old equipment and new equipment. So, playing around with that stuff. Alright, she's done, boys. Turn it off. Let's see what the final product is. The water's dirty. That's a good sign. Well, it's still dirty. Oof, it's hot. Still got some dirt and spots. Too hot to handle. Yeah, I missed some of that. It did clean up the aluminum okay. Let's see what it did with that sprocket. Drop that right where it needed to be. Whew, that's hot. This is that sprocket. Let me just wipe the, or not wipe, but pat off. So it actually did an okay job on the sprocket here. Did alright. So it does, you know, it works okay. It's not perfect. You probably want to take the heavy stuff off first. But it actually cleaned this one up really good. Yes, it's raining out again. So what do you think? I'll do it before. And now this is after. I think it did an okay job. I've had this carburetor probably 20 years. I think it was off an RM250 that I owned many years ago. It did a pretty good job. Looking at the old picture compared to now. Not bad. Now that it's settled down a little bit, you can really see how dirty it made the water. It does come with a manual. I don't know how long it's going to last. We will see.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.